Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Prowler stash in Williamsburg full guide. Head to North 3rd Street and find the mural by the corner bakery, then move to the alley behind it. Spot the rusted green door with a metal latch, inspect the ground for a loose wooden pallet, lift it carefully, and retrieve the stash while remaining aware of pedestrians and store staff nearby. In this video, I will explain how to get the Prowler stash in Williamsburg full guide. Move calmly and scan the area for hiding spots, using a small flashlight to reveal taped seams or false bottoms. Keep movements measured and quiet, wear plain clothing to blend in, and shift objects gently rather than force them. Once revealed, remove the item slowly and secure it in a bag to avoid dropping anything while exiting the alley. In this video, I will review how to get the Prowler stash in Williamsburg full guide. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I mentioned earlier as a practical carry solution for small items. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to keep things tidy and discreet when transporting finds. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to get the Prowler stash in Williamsburg full guide. Prioritize safety by scanning for cameras and choosing a low-traffic window. Note nearby exits and keep a phone ready for emergencies, but avoid calling attention. If someone approaches, step back calmly and disengage, then return later if safe. Always respect private property and consider alternatives when conditions feel risky or monitored by security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.